Good afternoon, tutor. Allow me to present you my class plan. I use the different strategies and technological tools to motivate the class and begin like this. And Chapter 5, Learning of the Speaking and Listening Levels in Education for the 9th grade. The class developed time 2 months. An objective to develop strength in the English learning process. An outcome that students will be able to understand the conversation in English. And the objective develop strength in the process of reading and listening to English. The methodology to achieve the strength in the domain of speaking and listening, it has been to focus to implement improvements in the pedagogical process of teaching. And these pedagogical strategies are based on the use of the open digital resources, which are free access digital tools, which allow students and teachers to make continuous using the information as well as construction of content. The methodology has a characteristic of being innovative, open, accessible methods, and students have the orientation, guidance, and the teacher who acts as the facilitator of basic day and permanent and company work groups or individual activities. And the pedagogical activity will be constituted rooms, which allows the students to have an active role to learning open English. And each other methodology will contribute to generating both autonomous learning space and without participatory and collaboratory learning, since they will be able to interact online in the real time, both the teacher and with each other as students. That is another evidence of the methodologies to work with the students, and will be collaboratory activity participation by sending conversation in the English language interactive with the teacher and classmate in WhatsApp. And that the evidence in the postcards use the student speaking with audio. It was a girl, but the students share with another and listen the class. That's right, it's my class plan teacher. Thanks.